Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. So this video is about the Tracer complete construction marketing kit. So yes, it's another tool review video. Haven't got any other videos planned, unfortunately, in apart from tool reviews. So hopefully this one will go well like the other one did. So I've got this off Trust Buddies Live. It's on every Thursday at 9, just to let you know. And you can win some of the amazing goodies that they have, my Tracer. So we're going to review this today. So yeah, let's get into it. So we've got the deep hole marker, which is basically just like a permanent marker sort of thing. So, and there's the holder for it. So that's that one. We've got the Tracer lead set, which is for the pencil. I'll show you in 2 seconds. And so you get all different sorts of leads. It's basically like the Faithful one. Show you the yellow one. Give me a yellow one. What's going on? There we go. And there's the yellow one. Basically like the Faithful one again. So now we come to the pencil, which is my favourite one because for many reasons. Because the grip's better. There's a sharpener in between the holder, and it's basically like the Faithful one. Just take it out like that, and then put it in like that, and you're good. And you're good to go for the next project. So yeah, that's today's video. This may be possibly the last one before Christmas, because I haven't really got any other video ideas. But next year, there'll be loads more content on here for other stuff next year. Hopefully get a few tools for Christmas and whatever. I'll do a review of them. So yeah, have a great Christmas, and I will see you on the next one. Ta-da!